Hi guys, today we have Niharika and she scored 120 score in MH Law CT 5 years 2020 exam. So today we'll understand all the preparation strategy and what are the obstacles she came across while she was preparing for her exam. 5 years का exam इस साल काफी tough था compared to last year. Then also she managed to score 120 का score and finally she will be going into the GLC Mumbai and the ILS Pune. So let's talk to Niharika and understand brief information about her preparation. Hi Niharika.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good evening, Niharika. How are you?
Yes,
So
I'm fine. What about you, sir?
I'm also great. I'm also fine and feeling very happy that you have scored 120 score. Being a paper tough, then also you managed to score 120. That is a great.
Thank you.
So once again, congratulations to you.
Yes, thank you so much.
Okay. So Niharika, one by one, let's start with the detailed discussion. Before I start, Niharika, wanted to
Sure.
understand how you are feeling now, getting 120 score. Did you expected this?
Yes, it was actually expected, but I was a bit, I did doubt it, a bit complicated than whatever I had solved, like till now. So
Okay.
yes, but considering legal English, so all considering all those sections, it was really good. I did have a confidence about that. So yes,
Okay.
I did expect something like this.
Okay, so finally got your goal, which is nothing but 120 ka score. Finally, top colleges for your law
Yes, I
program.
did.
So, how's your parents and family feeling? Like they are
Yes.
proud, like feeling proud on you, or how it is?
Yes, they are very. They're very happy. Everyone is happy about it.
Everyone is happy. Wow, great. Niharika, will start with your academic background. Okay, tell me your schooling, your 10th, 12th,
So,
and which stream and why you have chosen your career into the law. So, just start with the basic question. Yeah.
okay, so I was born in Pune, and then I've settled in Pune as well.
Okay.
And I did my schooling from Seva Sadan English Medium School,
Okay.
and I then chose commerce stream, and then I did my 11th and 12th standard from SP College, Sir
Okay.
Parshuram Bhau College in Pune, and I
Pune.
scored
Okay.
89% in my 12th standard.
Okay.
Yes, and then
89% in 12. Okay.
MHCET.
So commerce grad you have done your 11 12 commerce and then CET preparation and hit 120
Yes.
score and then so this was earlier you have thought of that you will be going in the field of law.
Yes, it was actually pre-decided. Like from fifth standard or so, we actually had an interview of a lawyer in our school. So from then
Oh.
on, and obviously my father as well is a lawyer, so he
Oh.
was the greatest inspiration for me. And then I chose to be a lawyer. Yes, I did.
Okay, so because of father, because of dad, you have thought of your career into the law domain, right?
Yes,
Okay, so
basically yes,
so
yes,
घर में एक और lawyer हो जाएगी, ठीक है? Dad तो lawyer है ही और बेटी भी lawyer.
exactly.
Pursue law in Maharashtra, you have to write CET exam. And how when you started your preparation for this?
I was a bit ignorant, and I'm really sorry to say that as well. I was really a bit ignorant about that, so I started a bit late. But then I was very lucky that the lockdown actually proved a very, productive for me.
Uh-huh.
It was really productive because I got extension of time of which I had lost.
Oh, okay, okay.
If the exam was scheduled at 12th April, then I
Correct,
don't
correct.
think I would have achieved this milestone. But the lockdown period was really productive. That
Okay,
proved very
okay.
fruitful for me. So it gave a boost to my preparation, and also the I had also applied for Symbiosis entrance exam SLAT, which gave a turning point to my preparation because I got to know that I was actually lacking somewhere. So it gave me a boost. It was a turning point, I would say.
Okay, okay.
My
So
SLAT result.
so SLAT out of 75, how much you scored?
I scored 45.
45. Okay. So did you got any call from the Symbiosis for the admission, irrespective of the campuses?
No, actually, I had ILS was fixed in my mind. Symbiosis was just an experience which my father suggested that I should have, so which would
Okay.
guide me for the future examinations. So it was my father did urge me for that. I was not expecting to go to Symbiosis, but it was a learning experience for me. I did get to know that I was lacking somewhere. My preparation was lacking behind, and then I had MHCT. It was a chance for me, so it gave a boost to my preparation. And
So
now
basically you
I
have
have
used
scored this
this
much in
lockdown.
CT.
Okay. So basically you have used this lockdown properly. Okay. Okay. People were much more frustrated and all, but you have used it and
Yes, actually, no one did like this lockdown period.
obviously,
No
obviously.
one was liking this lockdown period, but I was happy about it that I got some extension to make up for the loss, which, I had not prepared from the starting. So I had a chance to make up for my loss. the
Okay.
loss of timing. So it was, I'm glad that I got that time.
Those who have not utilized this lockdown time, you can learn from the Niharika how she utilized this time, and because of that she hit the good score 120 plus. So upcoming year aspirant, those who are planning to prepare and preparing for the MSCT 2021 or the 22, utilize your time, whatever time you will be getting for your preparation, utilize it properly, guys. Then only you can get boost up in your preparation and you can trigger the good score. Okay, so Niharika, coming back to the point, what was your preparation strategy?
My preparation strategy, I would go subject by subject. So beginning from legal, I was thorough about legal. Legal was not a problem for me, like in the CET exam, because questions were principal fact based questions.
Okay.
And I lacked about it, the preparation in the previous stages. But then,
Mhm.
as in when I had practiced a lot, I had
Okay.
practiced from many sites. I had opted for many test series. I had solved many mock tests. So I was confident about legal. The question, even all if the questions were principal fact, I would still manage it. So it is about practice. You have to practice a lot. If you
Okay.
want to crack the legal section with good marks, then you have to practice. There's no other option for that.
Okay. So you started with the legal preparation.
Yes,
And later on,
legal
what
was the
were
first step. Then I was not like in 11th and 12th I had maths, so maths was not much of a problem.
okay.
But then it was not related to 11th 12th studies. It was all based on 10th standard, so I had
Correct.
to just revise it. I used the book Quantitative Aptitude,
Okay.
RS Agarwal,
Okay.
and I had studied from that for maths.
Okay. Okay.
So
So
that covered the math section.
mhm,
Even for English section, sir, it was your recommendation that we should be reading the Indian Express and the Hindu particularly. So
right.
I was, yes, I did read newspapers, and I must say it was very helpful for me, because the English section was very good this time. Even the passages, everything was manageable this time. So English section was not a problem.
So which newspaper you used to read? The
Then
Hindu or the
coming
Indian
on to
Express?
initially, I started reading Indian Express, but as and when you had once suggested in the video that initially you should start from the Indian Express and then Hindu when you feel that you're comfortable reading the Indian Express, because
Right.
the language is a bit harder in the Hindu. So I
Right.
initially started from the Indian Express and then I moved on to the Hindu.
Correct.
So this
Correct.
is how
Okay.
it went, and it was good too.
Great. Great. Okay.
Then
Further section.
for logical reasoning, I worked on puzzles because I was very thorough, very regular at watching the Manover videos.
Oh
So
wow.
I was knowing that I have to work on my puzzles because that would cover most of the marks.
Okay.
So basic preparation. I had solved papers on logical reasoning and also the magical book on puzzles. I had solved
Mm.
that book. That is really helpful. I would suggest it for the upcoming, uh, aspirants. So
Yes.
that book
Yes.
is good. I had prepared from that, and yes, I did puzzles from that and much test series, and it covered the logical reasoning stuff.
Great. So सुन
And
लो सब
then
लोग,
the
अगर guidelines properly follow करोगे like Niharika, so anything can be possible to achieve in life. If you follow the proper roadmap, if you create your roadmap the way you want to toggle through the to get your goal basically. So what she has done basically followed the Hindu Indian Express reading part, logical puzzle, and then book sheet from the magical book of puzzle, and legal sheet from legal she has started. So one by one every section she used to tackle, and she know कि मेरा strong strength क्या है, weakness क्या है, और how to deal with the section to section. Very good, Niharika. Very smart roadmap you have created basically. Okay, further logical reasoning then.
then GK is the major part of the CET preparation.
Okay.
I had done static GK from, as you suggested, the Lucent book.
Right.
From Lucent as well as Avhad and Arihant. These are the publications which you get usually for MHCET. So I had studied static GK from that, and whatever used to crop up in the question papers like mock test. So I used to be revising all that, and I had a habit of, after I attempt a mock test, I used to analyze it and write down it in a red pen so that it could attract my attention before the exam, that I have to focus on these things. I went wrong in these things. I have to focus on these things. So that covered my static GK part. As for current affairs, I GK today.
Okay.
I
GK
used to
Today
watch
app you have
the
downloaded.
videos of GK today.
What else? Anything else you want to add in your preparation strategy wise?
Strategy wise, if I have to suggest about checking my losses in this, I have I was lucky enough to have the lockdown period, but it won't happen every time. So I would
Yes,
just urge the people around there, the aspirants, that you have to prepare from the starting. And obviously, I can't miss this out. Mock tests are very important. It is a very integral part of your, preparation,
correct, correct.
because you get to know where you stand. I
Exactly.
had solved approximately 40 to 50 mock tests,
Oh,
and after a point, I had realized that there's a peak, that 100, 110, that was the peak. And then I did realize that, okay, now with this preparation, I can score 110 or something like that. But I have to do some special preparation in order to, if I want to go above this point, above this peak.
wow.
So then, all the extra part, like going through the PDFs of various apps for current affairs, taking
Mhm,
out notes. So
mhm, mhm.
this was the thing that helped me, that really helped me.
Okay, wow. So,
Regular solving and analysis of the mock test is very important, and that helped me a lot
okay,
in my journey.
okay. So when you written the maneuver mock test and when you written the real exam, what comparison you have, what similarity or the comparison you have
Oh
came
my God,
across?
sir. I have to say about this. You used to always say in your videos, I was very regular watching the videos, that you can score at least 10 to 15 marks more than the real maneuver, maneuver tests in your real exam. So
Right.
that is actually true, because in the maneuver test, I used to score, like, the peak was 113,
Oh,
and my every time I was like around 100, in this range.
okay,
And
okay.
the most I had scored 113, and in the real exam I scored 120, which is very
Seven,
good.
almost 10 marks more, approximately.
Yes, 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 yes,
So,
I
okay,
did.
great. So, best part is something which you have done is nothing but you have started your rigorous preparation. That is the point number one. Second, you have been through lots of mock tests, and best part, you have done the analysis of the mock test. Ideally, happen people write the mock test, but they don't do detailed
Yes,
analysis of the mock test, and there's a problem start. They write the mock test, then they think, okay, I have written
exactly.
30, 40 mock tests, but unless and until you will not analyze the mock test, you will not get to know where you stand, where you are lacking, in which area you need to perform or need to work upon, like that. All these things you get to know after writing the mock test and analyzing the mock test, so which you have done very thoroughly
Yes.
and properly, and that's what a benefit you have got after the result of CT 5 years. So Niharika, last question which I want to ask, um, according to you, what should be the what tips you want to give to all the aspirant, those who are upcoming aspirant of Law City 5 years, 2021, 22, and upcoming years?
Yes. Obviously, 12th standard should be given importance. Like, I'm talking about 5 years CET.
Yes.
But along with your 12th standard studies, you have to focus on your CET preparation as well, because the colleges, whatever college you'll get, it is based on your CET marks. And for 12th standard, it is 45% is what is required.
Right.
So obviously, you should give importance to both of them, but do not miss the CET preparation. Do not leave it behind, considering that only 1 month will be sufficient for the preparation. It is not so. If you have to cover everything, if you have to cover GK and current affairs, then you have to be active for the entire year, because that is what is important. GK
Right.
is something which cannot be done in 1 month or something. You have
Right.
to be, active about what is going on in your atmosphere for the entire year. So that is what matters. And
Correct.
obviously the mock tests, you should be really thorough with it.
Yes. So start your, so what exactly Niharika want to suggest? Don't start in the last, when your exam comes before 2 3 months. Start your preparation little
Yes,
early,
exactly.
maybe a year, 1 year ago, when you are in fact, I would say 11th standard, when you are
Yes,
in that, like that time, there is no any board kind of a
exactly.
pressure. So you can start your preparation, and
Exactly.
right, and then 12th standard when comes, then you can have a light preparation of your Law City 5 years, and you can balance, and 12th preparation, that time you will be more inclined. So both the preparation you can balance, because in 11th standard you have done your
Yes.
well preparation. So that's what she wanted to say. If you are targeting for CT 5 years, so your target has to be top colleges. Two colleges are there: GLC Mumbai hai Mumbai mein, and ILS Pune is in Pune. After then there are the other colleges, but ये दो colleges में 5 years के seats ज़्यादा है, और these are the top colleges for your, in Maharashtra, for your law program. So getting into these colleges, 120 का score is required, and below this also people get the admission, but ideally ideal target should be 120. All right, Niharika, thanks for sharing your experience with
Yes.
us. And
Yes, thank you so much.
all the best for your career. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Yeah. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye.